I got this cordless tire inflator, so let's check it out. It's pretty cool. It's got a mode for your car, whether if you have like a bike, motorbike actually, and bicycle, and a mode for like if you want to inflate your, say you have a basketball, and also anything like a medical device that needs compressed air. It's got that option. So it's definitely a must, you know, especially if you're ever driving your personal vehicle and something happens, you lose tire pressure. It's definitely a must to have.